Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So today we're going to be making this shrimp or prawn, whatever you say, pasta. Now I'm lucky I've got some lovely jumbo beautiful prawns there. We're going to make a cream garlic sauce. It's very, very simple. You can use any pasta you want. I'm using some macaroni today, but that is delightful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I want to talk about our pasta first because we're not going to spend very long on it. Get your pasta cooked. You can use any type of pasta you want. I'm using this small macaroni and I've got about 3 cups of it there, but you know, spaghetti, tagliatelle, penne, farfalle, entirely up to you. So get that sorted and out of the way. We're not going to talk about it until we get it into the sauce. So here's my prawns, and they're quite big ones. They're quite nice prawns or shrimps, whatever. I mean, you can use big or small, it's up to you. These are just quite large, but if you've got small ones, it works out just the same. I've got 700 grams there. Here I've got 250 ml of cream. Now I'm using a thick cream. It makes no difference if you use a thick or a thin cream. 1 cup of onions cut nice and small, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped. Here I've got 2 tablespoons roughly of chopped parsley, and is that a tablespoon maybe of butter, and a little touch of olive oil, salt and pepper. Let's go. So pan, wok, skillet, up to you. I've got like 3 tablespoons of olive oil in there. I've dropped that tablespoon we're saying of butter. The heat is on above medium, and I'm just going to melt that down. Back in a moment. Okay, there you go. Now the reason that I add oil to the butter is the butter can burn quite easily, so the oil kind of prevents that and gives it a lovely flavour. Let's drop in that 1 cup of onion and the 1 tablespoon of garlic. Above medium heat, just let this go for about 3 minutes, stirring often. Now I'm going to drop in my shrimps or prawns. Like I say, lucky to have these kind of beautiful sized ones here today. We're going to get some salt in the mix. We're going to get some black pepper in the mix. And I'm going to drop in that couple of teaspoons of dried oregano. 4 minutes now, above medium heat. So easy. Absolutely fabulous. Just 4 minutes there. Now, if you want, chili flakes could go in there. That might be nice. Some chopped black or green olives. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of some liquid. You can use water, white wine, stock, or the water from the pasta. But only a touch. It's not a lot of whatever you're going to be using. We're now going to go with the 250 ml of the cream. Like I say, thick or thin, it's not going to make any difference. And we're going to go for another 3 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. And you can see that that thick cream, along with the 1/4 cup of liquid, has made a beautiful sauce. Okay, time for our pasta that I showed you earlier. So 3 cups. I'm using this small macaroni, but any pasta works really well. We're now going to get in 95% of the parsley. Just hold a little bit back for the top when we present it. And again, go for 3 more minutes on this above medium heat. Check it for salt and pepper. It's fine for me. It's done, it's easy, and it's beautiful. And there she goes, just so easy, beautiful. Don't make it complicated. That is perfect. Just put a little bit of that parsley on the top to make it look a little bit fancy. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.